Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. So I'm doing box of 2011-2012 Panini Elite that ended last night on eBay. That was December 16th between the times of 7:45 and 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last team that was Winnipeg Jets, ended at 8:14 and 31 seconds. Current eBay time is 9:34 Eastern Standard Time on the 17th a.m. that is. So we're going to do the break right now. I am live on Breakers.tv. I have Ice here rooting me on as I go do it. I don't say root, but we are live right now. And as well, I just want to point out RYDLAR99.com if anyone wants to do any off eBay breaks. We have our open breaks. Right now we have the 18th, which is tomorrow night, Wednesday night, a $5 combo with the cup. And on the 19th, we're going to have an Edmonton Oilers collection case break, hit draft. There's going to be 6 people involved in this because there are 6 boxes in a case. And you can draft your cards in a snake draft, and then there will be a Friday night break and a Sunday night break as well posted shortly here. Also, you can find whatever boxes I'm running on eBay on any given night. Just click right there, and you'll be able to do that. For your break results, always for eBay, you can go right there, eBay break results, or you can just pop your serial number into the search box at the top here. Alrighty, guys, let's get going. 11-12 Panini Elite box break, serial number NE99248794. Just remember the 794 here. 794, 794, 794. Hopefully I get the right box. Hey, I did. There we go. 992-48794. So I wish everybody good luck in this break. It is, of course, a sealed box of Elite. I'll show you guys all that first. Crack that puppy open. Hopefully we'll hit something nice. I've been hitting a lot of Nuges lately, oddly enough. Out of Elite, I think I've hit 2 out of the out of 99 Nuges in the last 2 weeks. So he's been following me around. Alrighty. Push those to the edge. Leave the checklist there in case we need it. And away we go. Good luck, everybody. On Elite. Base cards do not ship. Everything else does. Base. Aspirations for the Wings. Franson? I think if the focus would kick in. Yep. Johan Franson for the Wings. Elite Aspirations die cut. Base. Stars, Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. Base. We've hit a lot of nice stuff out of Elite lately. I think we had a Vanek prime number signatures. Redemption, but still nice nonetheless. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we have a Brian Streit rookie out of 999 for the Pens. More base. Elite Series for the Edmonton Oilers, RNH and Taylor Hall. RNH and Taylor Hall. Rookie Stars, Craig Smith for the Nashville Predators. Rookie Stars, Craig Smith for the Preds. No numbering, Elite Aspirations for the St. Louis Blues, TJ Oshie. Oshie for the Blues. Check your pack. Maybe we have some patchy or prime numbers or something. Yes, looks nice. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we have a Ron Francis prime numbers. Jersey swatch. Should have numbering on here, but it's probably on the back. Yeah. Number 93 out of 549, so it's actually out of 500, so he would have 500 just plain jersey swatches, 40 autographs, and 9 patch autos. Or patches. I'm not quite sure if they're patch autos, just straight patches. To make up that whole chain there. Out of 999 for the Vancouver Canucks, we have a Jan Sauve rookie. For the Carolina Hurricanes, we have an Eric Staal Aspirations. Staal. Autograph rookie for the New York Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. Let me tell because it wasn't numbered. Calvin DeHaan, autograph rookie for the Isles. Always like the nice card sign autos that they put in this one. For the New York Islanders as well, we have elite signings. Trevor Gillies, the Goon. The Goon, Trevor Gillies for the Isles. All base. Aspirations for the Buffalo Sabres, Nathan Gerby. Nathan Gerby for the Sabres. And for the Dallas Stars, we have a new breed materials, Thomas Vincoeur. Thomas Vincoeur. More base. Out of 99, we have a status elite for the Anaheim Ducks, or elite status, however you want to say it. Ryan Getzlaf. Getzlaf for the Ducks. For the Buffalo Sabres again, we have another Nathan Gerby. Another Nathan Gerby, our second Aspirations Nathan Gerby for the Sabres. Looks like 3 packs left, including this one. Lots of hits out of elite to ship. Very nice. For the New Jersey Devils, we have a David Clarkson Aspirations. And for the Philadelphia Flyers, we have a rookie Aspirations out of 99, 14 out of 99, Eric Gustafsson. So the rookies are numbered. The other Aspirations are not. Looks like an all base pack. Last one, good luck, guys. Hey, gals. Elite Series for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Stammer. Stammer for the Lightning. That's it for the break. I want to thank everyone for taking part in it. Again, remind you guys, off eBay breaks, I do quite a bit of them. Quite a few of them, quite a bit. Usually 3 nights a week, sometimes 4, depending on when new products come out. But, yeah. Wish you guys good luck on all your future breaks. And RYDLAR99.com for the off eBay stuff. The live feed is breakers.tv/RYDLAR99. I'll be live next, will be Wednesday night at 7 p.m. If anybody even just wants to come and watch and or take part. Sometimes we do Raz, sometimes we get spots cheaper. Have a good one, guys.